Hi Gaurav, thank you so much for joining us today.
Yeah, hi.
Congratulations on scoring 99.51 percentile in CAT 2020.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
So, can you tell us about your preparation journey?
Yeah, so this was not my first attempt for CAT. I have appeared for it last year as well. So last year my score was 99.43, but
Okay,
I did not get the calls from my desired colleges. So that's when I started thinking about giving a next attempt. So this year I have started my preparation around May month, and I
okay.
started with giving some mocks. And since I have given it already, I knew my weak areas and how to improve on them, and that's when I started for it.
Right. So, in spite of getting such a good score in your first attempt, why did you want to take a second attempt? So, what kept you going?
From the beginning itself, I've always targeted a few bunch of colleges for doing my MBA, and since I did not get calls from them last year, so I thought maybe I'll try to give another attempt, and meanwhile my work ex will also increase, so that will be helpful to get certain colleges calls.
Right. So, since you're a working professional, I think time was a big issue. So, how did you manage your time? How many hours were you able to allot to CAT preparation?
Yeah, so time management has been a bit tricky this year, especially with the COVID pandemic and the lockdown that
Okay.
we faced. But due to certain home comfort and reduced travel time has kind of compensated for that.
Right.
So during the weekdays I try to give around 1 or 2 hours in the morning before joining the office, and in the night I used to read something so that it would improve my reading speed, and on the weekends I used to give mocks and analyze them completely.
Okay, so can you tell us how Krakow mock tests and sectional tests were helpful to you?
Yeah, so I took the cracking mock test series in the May month itself, and it has been very helpful, uh, especially the quant and DILR section.
Okay,
They have framed it very nicely, and the mocks are very aligned with the how you expect the questions to be in the actual CAT exam. And one good thing I liked about the CRACU is the moment we got the news about change in pattern,
okay,
they then and there within days, within 1 or 2 days, I think they changed their patterns for mocks and sectionals, and they revised the older ones as well. So it was very helpful during the whole process.
right. So, what was your weak section and what was your strategy in that section?
So amongst all the three sections, DILR has always been a bit natural to me. So for the other two sections in RC, I felt that my reading speed is a bit slow, and I try to improve on that.
Okay,
I used to read regularly, mostly non-fictional and fictional. And for the fictional part, I have completed the Harry Potter series in the during the lockdown.
okay,
And for quant, two things were weak on my part. One is the question selection. So for that, earlier what I used to do is I would go through question by question, and in that process, I used to lose some easy marks on that. So for that, I try to change my strategy a bit. So so as part of that strategy, I used to go and skim through all the easy questions first, and then move on to the a bit tough or lengthy ones. And I used to practice a variety of questions so that I get a hands-on approach on that.
so can you tell us what were some of the biggest mistakes you've done in your CAT preparation and what did you learn from them?
So the CAT preparation, the mock preparation has always been an interesting part of the journey throughout. It teaches you a lot and it helps to build your character as well. So the two major takeaways is never feel down whenever you go through a bad mock score. And another part is just the opposite of it. Whenever you get a very good mock score, don't feel overconfident because of that, and just keep focusing and keep trying to. I just keep trying to improve on what I can do better from this.
Great. Can you quickly run us through your CAT day? How was it? Did it go as per your strategy?
Yeah, so on the CAT day, I was in the second slot.
Okay,
So VRC section was pretty okay. I always feel that I could do well from whatever I did, but DLR sectional section was a bit of surprise to me. It as you guys all know that slot 2 and 3 were a bit difficult this time. So initially that was a bit tough, and then I went through all the 5 passages and tried to select what I can do and what I can get best out of it. So after that, it kind of affected the quant section as well, because I was in that trauma phase. But after 4 or 5 minutes, I tried to recollect myself and did what the best I could.
Great. So, according to you, what was that one most important thing that actually helped you improve your scores in any section?
So in the quant section, the strategy to go through all the easy questions first has improved my score a lot during this time.
Okay.
So yeah, that helped me to increase my quant scores.
Right. So, finally, do you have any other tips for the future CAT aspirants?
Yeah, I mean, this whole mock sessions and going through all the stuff can be a bit overwhelming sometimes, but just never let down. And whenever you feel down, go through your past mock scores and see through the best scores that you have got in those sections. And then it will keep you motivated that you can do better every time.
Brilliant. Thank you so much, Gaurav. It was great having you here. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.